Pakistan's 26th Constitutional Amendment of 2024 has brought sweeping changes to the judiciary and governance structure. Let's dive into the main reform, their purpose, and the controversy surrounding them. First, the amendment limits the Chief Justice of Pakistan's tenure to 3 years, aimed at promoting fresh leadership and avoiding prolonged influence from any single judge at the top. Supporters say this change encourages a more dynamic and balanced judiciary. The power to select the Chief Justice now lies partially with a special parliamentary committee, which will nominate a Chief Justice from the 3 senior-most Supreme Court judges. This change aims to increase democratic oversight, giving Parliament a role in judicial appointments, historically controlled by the judiciary. Additionally, the amendment enables the Judicial Commission to monitor and report on judges' performance, aiming to uphold accountability within the judiciary itself. This is seen by some as a crucial step, but critics worry it could impact judicial independence. One ambitious provision calls for the complete eradication of riba, or interest, from the Pakistan's financial system by 2028, in alignment with Islamic financial principles, a shift that could reshape the economy. While the amendment was largely supported by the ruling coalition, opposition parties argue it as it threatens judicial independence. Some even staged walkouts, calling it a power grab by the executive. The amendment also highlights Pakistan's deep political divide. While leaders like Bilawal Bhutto Zardari hailed it as a historic reform, opposition members raised concern over process and timing. In just a few days, this amendment reshaped Pakistan's governance and judiciary. So will it create a greater accountability or curb judicial freedom? Only time will tell.